Here we can see the time and date. For actually for last 3 days, I didn't do the trading for last 1 week due to some personal works. So again I started yesterday onwards. Yesterday I think I got 4 to 5. The other reason I didn't upload the video. I got some messages why you are not coming on to the online. I had to go somewhere else. That's the reason I didn't do trading for last week onwards. I started yesterday onwards only. Today PFC. If anyone interested, go with PFC. This is my Zerodha account. Today actually I created in two accounts only, Zerodha and Angel Broking. Because of today we can't predict the market how it is going on. This is Angel Broking. Here you can see my client ID, and actually I started at 9:50. There you can see the time when I was logged in. Yeah, better go with PFC instead of Indipetro. Better go with PFC. Otherwise, if you want, you can go with Petronet also instead of Indipetro. Mm. Because today actually market we can't predict. At morning it opened with up to 320. It was going, but again it is falling down. So fluctuation happened. I think tomorrow, 7th, right? Some RBI meetings are there, so better all people better to avoid the trading tomorrow. Some RBI meeting is there due to that bank related issues. So anything may affect to the market. So better to avoid tomorrow. Otherwise, wait for until that meeting is over. Until unless complete the meeting, don't keep any positions in your demat. Yes. This is my zero. Today it is 800 quantity. Yes, yes. Only with two accounts I places orders. Because today market is not predictable, so and I'm not confident with market. The other reason I place in only two accounts. Um, Yesterday, no, no. Yesterday, why market was falling down immediately due to that Maharashtra COVID-related issues. So those people, they made the lockdown in Maharashtra with some restrictions. So essential things only they are allowing for coming 1 week. Here we can see Angel Broking. Still we are at two. Today better to quit with small profits. Don't expect too much today. Better. Yes, yes. Yeah, better. Close. If you want, you can hold. I will be on WhatsApp after finishing my work. If my work is completed with a small profit, I just want to quit today. So, but better my suggestion is quit with small profits. cryptocurrency is related to Bitcoin. Do you have an idea on Bitcoin? Yeah, Ethereum, Binance Coin. All those are comes under cryptocurrency. Crypto is nothing but crypto is IT terminology. So which are not physical is called crypto. That's it. Yeah, cryptocurrency okay, but if you, I don't have on that. So I am not confident with that. So yeah. No, no, no. If you want, if you have an idea on that, you can go with that cryptocurrency. What exactly crypto means, which is hidden, it's IT terminology. It's not physical. It's hidden related code. Yes, in zero the reaches 4K. Today better quit with at 10K. Actually today I'm expecting at least 20K, but market is not predictable. That's the reason I just want to close. And edges Nifty also morning onwards is just open with in neutral way. Yeah, some GDP related meeting is there tomorrow RBI. The other reason I just wanted to um, avoid the trading tomorrow until complete that meeting, because that meeting result will be affect to the market. One second, it's zero HS 5K. Okay. Today I just want to close the market with the 10K. Actually, I'm expecting 20K at least, but market sometimes it's raising up, sometimes it's going down. So I'm not confident with market at so anything may be happened because RBI monetary policy is there. So that monetary policy will be happen tomorrow. So based on that, once if it is 10K reaches, then I just want to close the market and will be on WhatsApp. Okay. 5K. Okay. EFCGL. Gale, Gale you can go, but not at buying side. You can go with sell side. Better. If you want, you can go with Gale at instead of Madhusumi, Gale better. You know why Madhusumi price is 210, Gale is 137, but it gives more point than Madhusumi today. So with the small capital, you can take more quantity. So better to go with Gale instead of Madhusumi. At the not buying side, selling side. That's what I'm telling you. Listen carefully. Selling side, I'm talking about. Okay. I think after 1 week, I started the trading yesterday. Last week, actually, only 3 days working is there. Last Monday's, I think it was which one, Holi, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday was there, and again Friday is Good Friday. So last week only 3 days were there. In the 3 days, I did only one trade because remaining 2 days I didn't do. I think. Yeah, zero the squared off already. It is 6K, then I squared off. After squared off, it gives 5 6. Okay, and angel broking, it's near to 5, so already 10 reaches. So I just want to scare off here angel broking also, because better fit with Sandeep. 10K is enough. Better to fit with today. I don't know how much quantity you place it today. As per my placing, I placed 800 quantity today. So as of now, I reached 10K, 5 6. Um, it's 5. So 10K reached. I just want to close the market here, and I will be on WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Sorry, in 20 minutes I will be on WhatsApp. 12:39 time. Yeah, it's angel broking 5 3 5 1 5 3. Once it reaches 5 5, I just want to close. Then it's near to above 11K. Today actually I'm expecting 20K, but can't do. On minute I just want to close the market, and I will be in WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Thank you.